So HomeGoods, they have, first of all, hey y'all, I'm at HomeGoods, looking around, trying to see what they got. Just shopping. But I see that they got their Halloween stuff on sale, so I just want to show y'all what it is that they have in here on on clearance today. So I'm right here looking at the stuff that they have from Halloween. So they got a lot of little different stuff. That's a little pumpkin there. I guess that would be a candle, but more like a candy dish if I had to use it. They got like this little pumpkin here for $4. They got a whole lot more stuff. Oh, they got a lot of stuff here, y'all. But they got music playing, so I may not be playing music over this video. So, what this is, like napkin ring holders or whatever, napkin holders, something like that. Yep, napkin rings. So I'm looking at the baskets that they have, considering, I might be considering getting one from here. They're reasonably priced, $7.99 for this here square basket. They got a nice little deep basket here. It's $9.99 for this basket. I think it's deep enough for what I want to use it for. Then they have this nice one here for $9.99. So unfortunately, I decided to grab some baskets from here. I got this little small one, $7.99. Or maybe I should go with, I don't want two big baskets up there, because I got the idea of going with some jars. Got plans on going with jars too. So, but I don't think I want the basket to be too little either. I don't know if I want to go sideways with them. However, but I got two baskets, so we're going to go with this style. And I like this look because it's like a braided look to it. I have this cute little two-tier gold bowl. I like that. And it's $19.99 for that. They have these cute little candle holders here. No, this is cups. Child, I thought this was a candle. That is cute. Oh, I can see those on the table, girl. On my table. They $4 each. But they plastic. But they cute. They really cute. I like those. This little plate here that they got is cute for $12.99. Then they got this bowl here and this gold plate. Ooh, I like both of those right there. So cute. I see they got some chargers down here. Look at that black and gold plate right there for $16.99. Decorative plate. That is too cute. Oh, the gold decor is beautiful. And I love this one right here. That's so pretty. And this one here too. $39.99 for this here. Gold is just my color, y'all. I love me some gold. See what they got over here. I see they got a lot of mushroom decor out. Mushroom must be in, y'all. Look at the black little owl back here. $7.99 for it. Look at the reindeer. $79.99 for it. These table runners here, but they actually got bats on them, but I'm gonna cut those bats off, and this will be good to change out on my entryway tables and my sofa table. So I got two of them, and they were $7. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for the HomeGoods shop with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and don't forget to ring that doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button. Y'all be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.